Whoa, we got a broken stabilizer link bar. So this is 1998 Toyota Corolla, and every time I hit a humps, I can feel something like there's something wrong with the car. So there's no better way than to just check underneath, and I found out this a broken stabilizer link. There is no sounds actually, but I can feel it. There's something wrong with it. Like the car is not even. So if you feel that way, it doesn't need to be like you hear the clunking sound or anything. You can always check it, jack the car, check underneath your car, and look at I wanna see also. Oh, it got stuck. Anyway, we're gonna fix this today. Okay, I already bought the parts, brand new one. So that's my car. It's a 98 Toyota Corolla. Okay, now this is a pretty straightforward. Let me open this. It doesn't matter. Okay, thanks. So what size is this? This is 17. Nope, that's 16 or 14. Let's see. All right, let's try 15. Nope. Oh, what? Why? If this is 15. Okay, 17. Oh yeah, it's 17. Okay, let's remove it. Use our cordless. Oh wait, we need something to hold the back because this one's keep on spinning. Let me check if there's a space in here. Okay, vice grip. Okay, let's try this vice grip. Oh boy, come on, Roots. All right, I'll go. That was fast. There you go. By the way, always use vice grip because most of the time this one is round. You cannot put this skinny wrench, so it's round. So you have no choice than to use a vice grip. Okay. Next one, this one. So I guess let's be using this one. Okay. Then we need again vice grip. See. You know what? Oops. There you go. Okay, I need space, so let's move our camera. I see it. Okay, good. Now let's remove it. There you go. Ooh. That was fast. Perfect. Now, new one. I'll put it back again over here. Okay, that's a good shot. Okay. Do we have top, bottom? I don't think so. Let's double check. Holy crap, look at this. It's plastic. What a cheap one. This is better. Metal. Okay. Let's start from here. Then let's push it down. There you go. Alright. That was fast. Okay, let me put this first. And let's adjust this to automatic shut off. So when it, oh, nope, it's not 17 anymore. Is it 15? Oh yeah, 15. Now it's turned to 15. All right. And this one, I think it's going the other way. Sorry if I keep on moving it. I need space. Let me zoom it. Okay. Come on. Oh. Let me hold on. So when this is not aligned, look at this. So I also remove the one on the top. So I use this steel bar so that I can lower it. Look at this. Nice. That's the trick. Let's do it again. Okay. Now it's aligned. Now we could put the nut. There you go. There you go. Now we can start tightening it. Oh, oops. Now let's do the one on the top. We need a nice grip. Okay. Okay. Nice. And let's do it slowly. Okay, good. And also the one at the bottom, just get this. Okay. All right. There you go. Now let's. There you go. Perfect. All right. So there's also another way of how to tighten this. See this? In here we can insert a Allen key. Now we can tighten it. Actually, it's already tight. If you use a cordless ratchet with power tools, much easier. But you can also do this. This one is not yet tight. Okay. I don't know if you could see it from there. Hold on. Yeah. Basically, that's one way how to tighten this. There you go. Okay, now it's tight. So use this, or if you had, cordless power tools, and check this out. All right, that's it. We're done. I just want to show you this. I can't believe it. Look at this, it's plastic. What the heck? Why the making a plastic for the stabilizer link? Holy smoke. Cheap part. Oh well.